Task management application, and currently we are having in our login screen. And if you want to create an account, so for that you need to click on the registration icon. It will be redirecting to registration. So here having some of the mandatory fields you need to fill out that for the create account. So yeah, so I am creating one of the account. Mobile number, I'm adding a double mobile number, and selecting the value type, zone type, division, department, then organization type. You can select value or company, whatever you want. Then here, based on the organization type, we can here show the user type. Now I'm selecting admin. Yeah, so registration is successful. Yeah, so for that we need to firstly approve the we have to add it because this is not login because account is not approved, it's still pending position. So for that we need to approve from the master. So firstly I'm logging with the master. Yeah, so this is the master dashboard. So here in the option, here you can see the count of total users added. Now to that how many approved and pending, how many are rejected. So here you can see the count of users. Then here you can see the how many value administrator have registered, company admin, value employee. So this is a statistic. Yeah, so for approve purpose you click on that. So here you can see the list of so currently we are just registered. This is a click on that. Here I mean you can approve and reject that. So now I'm just clicking the approve. So yeah, so user approved successfully. Yeah, so now user is approved. Yeah, and here having the some of the other option like how many value admin is approved. Okay, this admins are approved. Then having the some of the value admin of pending position. So this statistic also you can see here. Then having the system configuration with how many departments are there registered. This configuration we see at the time of registration. If you want to add more department, division, zones, value type, so you can add, update, delete from here also. Yeah, so this is the master. So this is the master dashboard. Yeah, so now we have we will register the value admin. So yeah. Yeah, so now we are successfully logging the value admin. So here having some of the statistic like how many value employee have added to that company employer, then total companies, how many companies are linked with service providing to railways. So here you can see the count, and here also you can add the companies, then total how many values are connectedly added here, connected to the specific station. So here you can see the list of railways. Yeah, so here here the once the value employee will be registered, so using here we can provide the app for rejection. Yeah, and same for the company employee also. We can just once the company employee register for approval rejection purpose, we have provided the option from here. Yeah, so now Now I'm going to now we should show will be employee dashboard. So this is a railway employee dashboard. Here you can see the all tasks, how many tasks we have already created. So here you can see the list of tasks. So here you can see the booking number, coaches, all this, then action done, action, what all this things you can see here. So if you want to and if you want to create any new task, so you just come here and you just to like here you can select daily will 20 10 coach number, I can be 1 2. Then here you can select the issue type, subtype, then company employee name, and here you can select the images. If you want to add multiple images, you can add here also. To delete, you can delete it. Just click on the submit task, so our task will be submit. Yeah, now it's successful, task is submit. So here you can see the count will be increased, and yeah, you can here you can see the whatever task you have to generate. So you can see it. Yeah. Yeah, and here is the action done. uh, if the company employee, if any action perform the specific task, so this task we can show inside the task done task card. And feedback done if the will employee will review the task and do the task and assign the feedback to specific users. So those card we can see inside the task done. So now we will log in the company employee. So yeah, so here you can see the having the one of the assigned task. So you just click on here. So here you can see the task. So these are the add. I mean, if you done any task, and if you want to add the some of the pictures for the evidence, click on the pictures and submit task 101. So task is successfully done from the assigned task. Yeah. So now we will go back to railway employee dashboard. Yeah, now you can yeah so here you can see. So if you want to add any feedback, so you for that you just click on the add feedback option, and you just add the feedback there. Good work. Yeah, so here you can add the weight of task and click on the submit of task. So yeah, so here you can you will see the feedback of. Yeah, and if you want to download the reports, so here you can select the day, month, or requires status like feedback done or task. So here you can select and click on the generate option. It takes some time to generate a PDF. Once the PDF will be generated, it will be download. Yeah, based on your data, it takes time. Yeah, so now successful download report for. Yeah, here you can see that. So here you can see the train number and the supervisor name, and then when the task is created and when the task completion time. So here the coaches one, the how many ways issue photos done, action put on, the supervisor remark. So in this will like external, so number of number, I mean based on the coaches, we have to assign the different task. So here you can see the image based on the coaches on the same railway. If having the railway name railway is different, so we have separate for that we have to get a separate table. Yeah, so you can download the report. Yeah, I think, yeah, this is all about the value task management application. Thank you.